Hey everybody, this is Unscripted Reviews. I'm Stacy.
I'm Greg.
We are doing an update on our keto diet. Greg has been on it for about 4 weeks. I've been doing it for about a week. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, actually. I'm still tweaking things a little bit, but overall doing really well. Getting a lot more energy than I've been accustomed to having.
Yeah, and it's been kind of annoying.
Yeah. I've definitely not gotten tired in the afternoon like I am accustomed to. What about you? Weak?
I am lethargic right now, and I'm exhausted.
This is a combination of what, sleep and...
Combination of sleep, not enough sleep, possibly diet.
Stress,
Working too much, maybe. I don't know. Other than that, I feel good in the way of, I feel mentally good. Not, like you said, no focus. Focus definitely has not improved yet. But the self-awareness of my choices as far as health food and stuff like that, that makes me feel good.
Yeah, it's good. Plus, we're seeing improvement. We've both seen some improvements in the scale side of things too, right?
Yes. You've lost.
I've lost a total of 30 pounds.
And I hit the 10-pound mark today.
Yeah.
So that was nice. It's kind of a nice, even though it's water weight in the beginning, it's kind of a nice instant gratification.
Sure.
Type thing. It's a little bit of an encouragement to keep you going.
I did have to get up 3 times last night because I drank so much water with dinner. I was behind on my water, and I just kept going. I don't know. It was weird. The waitress was like, do you need more? I'm like, yes, I need more. So I did have a big dinner last night, so I decided to fast a little bit today. I wasn't hungry until like 1:30, and then I tried some bone broth. It was a bone broth latte. Wasn't great.
That's not good.
No, you tried it.
It was very odd. Very strange.
Yeah, well, it had butter, and it had nutmeg and cinnamon. And
beef bone broth, right?
Yeah, it was beef bone broth. It was different. I wouldn't say bad, but it certainly wasn't good either. So
You made a face at the end.
That's because I got a whole mouthful of cinnamon.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. So all I can say is that the body better appreciated me coming out of a fast with bone broth, which is supposed to be amazing. Was the diet been a challenge for you? Are you having cravings?
Not really. I mean, we went out last night, and it was kind of difficult to pass my mashed potatoes over to Corey.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I kind of want to say not too bad.
Yeah.
Not too bad. I gave up my biggest crutch, which was the Coke, a couple weeks before the diet. So that was a little harder, actually, than this.
Mm-hmm.
Because we're still eating real food.
Right.
We're just not eating
Yeah,
carb-laden food.
I would agree. Last night was a challenge, I think, for both of us because, a lot of times when you go out to a restaurant, they have a lot of different things that you don't really consider before, like the glaze on top of your steak. Or,
right, yeah, I didn't even think about that.
Or, what did they saute the asparagus or green beans in? What is it? They adding any sugar? Stuff like that. What sauce do you pick for your hot wings, which you can have, but what are they frying them? I mean, it's one of those situations where it's like you can't know everything, so picking the best thing is probably the way to go.
Come to think of that, I had that broccoli. I wonder if they I don't think they used butter. But they cooked it in something.
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely some oil or something.
And I wonder if it was something, and with being as tired as I am today, maybe that and whatever that steak was cooked in could be...
Well, I mean, it's going to use a high smoke point oil for the steak, so it was probably
Yeah, but that
probably
glaze
okay,
that
but-
was on the top of it.
Yeah.
I don't know what was in that.
Yeah. Well, it's garlic.
Other than the
probably, so-
garlic and something else.
I mean, it's gonna have probably little sugars, but the point is that it's hard, and you just do the best you can making those choices. But it's definitely easier to stay at home and eat, especially when you're doing these types of things.
Sounds fun.
It isn't. It is not fun, especially when everybody else is drinking and you're not.
Oh,
so.
yeah, that sucked. That's
Yeah.
probably been the hardest thing for me, and I'm going to make it a goal to try to figure out... I'm going to sound like an alcoholic with this, and I really don't drink that often, but when I cannot drink is when I want to drink.
Yep.
So it's going to be a goal to try and figure out if there's anything I can do. I don't want to cheat the first 3 months at all. Yeah, 3
Okay.
months. I don't want to cheat the first three, because I don't know how long it's going to take me.
Well,
to
I
actually
mean, once
get
you get some numbers that are
into
consistent,
ketosis.
you start feeling better, and you're continuing to lose weight after probably the first month. It's pretty safe to say that you're in ketosis, in which case you can actually cheat if you wanted to. But
Yeah.
generally, you're not going to want to cheat, other than probably drinking. But,
Yeah.
And if you do drink, the best things to drink are the things that are going to have the less number of carbs, like the whiskeys and stuff like that.
Right. So I'm a little afraid, though, if I were to cheat. Like, if I were to cheat and, like, actually have something potato,
Mm-hmm.
I'm really afraid that would knock me off.
Oh, it's going to knock you out of ketosis.
No, like, knock me off of the whole thing.
Oh,
so
you're going to
it's
stop
like,
doing the diet?
Yeah, so I kind of think I'm just going to not even cheat with something like that.
Yeah, that's probably one of your triggers is potatoes. Mm-hmm. But I mean, once you get to the point where you start feeling all the benefits, the energy, the clarity, those types of things, I think you're going to probably be very happy about this.
I will be very happy once I get the clarity
Yeah,
and the focus.
yeah. But see, the counteracted to all that is stress, and if you're under a tremendous amount of stress, then it's gonna either slow it down a lot or make it not come.
Right.
So,
Well, hopefully the stress will be easing up in the next few
Yeah.
weeks to a month.
but overall, we're doing well. You've had a small issues with electrolytes being flushed, right? So sodium's
Yeah.
been a big thing for you.
Yeah, from time to time I do get that nauseated feeling. A lot of times when I get that, I'll grab some of the pink Himalayan sea salt and just throw a little bit on my tongue a couple times.
And you've had good success with that.
It
Yeah.
does. It works pretty quickly. I would say maybe within 20 minutes, and I just do like maybe 4 pinches. But I've also kind of experimented with throwing that into my coffee drink that I make in the morning. I did that one day, so that's my experiment because I've forgotten every other time. But I did it the one day, and I did not have any nausea all day
I'm gonna
that
put a
day.
sticky note on your container because she uses the same container every day. It's just gonna say salt, dummy.
Well, don't forget the monk fruit because I've forgotten that a couple
Yeah,
times
well,
too.
you'll still drink that even if you don't have the monk fruit. But
But it's really bitter.
so yeah, I mean, we're doing well. We've been able to prevent her from having too many of the keto flu issues by supplementing her salt, and we take a magnesium supplement as well, and that helps. When I was having sodium, I think is really the big key here, though, because when I was going through my week and a half-ish, I was feeling really nauseated, and I said we need to go to this grocery store because I need to get some pickles. So, and she thought that was kind of comical at the time.
Yeah.
But especially when I was throwing 2 pickles in my mouth and chewing, and I started feeling better. But
Yeah, and I don't eat pickles, so I think they are absolutely disgusting.
which is a shame because they're amazing.
No.
So, still alive, still kicking, doing well. We got some more videos coming up for you guys, more on keto stuff. We got some more trials, and we got a couple of reviews I think we're planning on getting out here soon too. So, keep sticking with us, guys. We got more exciting stuff. And if you guys started a new diet for the new year, leave us a comment. Let us know what it is. Definitely interested. We even have a new recipe that we are going to put up, right? We got this lasagna that we're doing, so we're going to put that up, and we'll review that, and you'll see us cooking it. And it's low carb, so it'll be good. Not going to give anything away, but we used... No, I'm not going to say it. Should we say it?
No.
No.
If you want to know, you
Keep
gotta
it a
watch the
surprise.
video.
That's right. You got to watch it. You got to watch it. We use something to mimic the noodles.
And it's not what you think.
And nope, it's not meat. Okay, wait, it is. Oh, I gave too much away. It's meat, but it's not the meat you think. Ah! Ah! But, anyway. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing. Click.
Thanks for liking.
Oh, did I say liking? I thought I said liking.
You said sharing.
Oh. Share, like, subscribe. Click the...
Ding the bell.
Ding the bell. Ding the bell.
Ding the bell.
Click the bell. And as always...
Stay random.
See you guys in the next video. Bye!